tell you.
Yeah.
Eyes are killing right there. I'm gonna be your video kayaker. Right behind me we see your guides, highly trained individuals, ready to handle all of your needs physically and emotionally out here on the river today. It's gonna be incredible. Don't let this be you, people. This is what a pothole is. My friend Toby's out there demonstrating what can happen to you in the event of an emergency. But he's okay because he is a highly trained professional individual, skilled in the art of whitewater movement. That's how you do it, folks. We're here at the bottom of second drop of Lost Paddle. Yes, sirree, this is going to be one of our big high-action adventure locations. Our duckies are going to come right down through there, and I'm ready for you to look good. And we, my friends, are the Carnage Beast. We represent all that is evil in the whitewater world. So come, bring it, feed the beastie. Ah, ha, ha, ha. here. It's been fast and furious. They're looking good. Oh, you gotta love it, people. You gotta love it. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, folks. I have stationed myself high on this rock right above Susan's Crack. Yes, Susan's Crack is a memorable event here on the Upper Gauley trips, and it comes right down into this big action here, the crevice of doom and destruction. That is what will happen to you possibly. That could be you if you are our lucky winner today in this contest.
You say you can't take it, we ain't gonna make it, and I hope you're mistaken. We'll just have to see. What a situation, but we gotta be patient if we're gonna make this relationship work. And I know this isn't easy, but I never said it would be. It's getting better all the time. Oh, but if you're not believing, you probably should be leaving. I don't wanna never ever see that again. You get up with the sunrise, me, I stay out all night. Please leave the front porch light on when you go to bed. When I come and creep in under covers while you're sleeping, my breathing's keeping you up till dawn. I watch you getting ready, that's the favorite part of my day. And with my eyes I try to save a little piece of you before you go. And I hope it's not the last time, but it's been on my mind that you're that kind of woman, can't be satisfied, no. But if you're gonna leave me, please just do it quickly. No, I can't spare another decade of mine, nope. There's a hole in the ceiling, and the plaster's peeling, and all these old feelings, they're just pouring in. And I don't know how to fix it, but I know that I'll miss it when that landlord's rent it gets too high. I went down to the ocean, I wrote your name in the sand. Watch that high water wash it away. Oh, we had a spiritual connection, and now we're headed in different directions. Only one more thing that I gotta say. You got to believe me. You gotta believe. You gotta believe. Oh, you gotta believe it. You got to believe. You gotta believe. You gotta believe, oh, you gotta believe. Got to believe. You gotta believe. You gotta believe me. Oh, you gotta believe in me. Got to believe. Got to believe. You got to believe. Oh, you gotta believe.
headlights shine. I call you in the evening, girl, and it's him you wine and dine. But my life gets thrills from all the things you do. Maybe further on up the road we can taste the nectar too. Because I love to do the things that you just couldn't. Love to do the things that you just wouldn't. And you help me do the things that I just shouldn't. But you should never let them live for you. King cocaine can break a soul in two. Well, I wonder, baby, if they've met the likes of you. You keep me reeling way past the break of day. Baby, I got a soul for you, and you can feel it when I play. Because I love to do the things that you just couldn't. And I love to do the things that you just wouldn't. Help me do the things that I just shouldn't. But you should never let them live for you. Little Stevie, I'll be gone for a while, gone for a while, gone. No food for the baby on the table while the parents try and get along. She works all week on making people pretty in her salon, while he sings songs about his wife and his family and the drunks drinking in the bars. We'll get through 'cause you've been sent by God. In a wreck, what should we expect out on the road? No one has been hurt, that's what I'm told. Little Stevie, come and ride for a while, ride for a while, ride. We'll eat cheap and sleep on seats until your mom you feel alive. works all week, just waiting on a Sunday drive. She said he lied about the time that he gave her for the job that she said she tried. Faith is for the lost to one day find.
Everybody knew me, only thought about if they cared. Well, I was just one more selfish man, over and over my heart. 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 Well, I was once so in love with a woman, never thought that I would die. She was gone, it was another one in love, another one in love, over and over my heart, 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 over and over my heart. I had the idea to get my best friends in the world, well they know me for ideas for this song, but then I realized, hey man, you're probably not that strong, over and over in your heart. Well, I imagine my breath and inspiration, you know, my entire world. Tell me what I shouldn't do and what I've done all wrong, will they ripping me apart. He said, hey man, maybe you are that strong to me. Now hell, they got to like something. Well, the truth is, I was just scared to hear those parts, over and over my heart. But then I faced them, released them, embraced them, and I cried with a buddy of mine. I rode home with a fat and happy smile. I finished the song in the nick of time, you know. Baby, I wanna bake you a cake.
Little sugar, flour, and eggs, patience and tenderness. Baby, I wanna bake you a cake.
Baby, I wanna take you out downtown. Oh, baby, I wanna take you out downtown. I said, put on the evening gown, throw my money all around. Baby, I wanna take you out downtown.
I wanna give you a diamond ring. I said, baby, I wanna give you a diamond ring. Well, my great-great Aunt Louise, she'd sure be mighty pleased. Baby, I wanna give you a diamond ring.
Baby, I wanna build you a house at home. Baby, I wanna build you a house at home. I get tired of being on the road, get all my love from a cellular phone. Yeah, baby, I wanna build you a house at home.
What incredible work here at the Tumble Home. I think Tug is also extremely proud of your little performances here today.
I'm gonna do every little word that I say. I'll bake you a cake, I'll buy you a steak. I love you so much, for goodness sake.
Pile of gear. There's a whole bunch of people, yes, hanging out on the rock. It's time to feed these hard working kayakers. Okay, boys and girls, after lunch we moved on down here to the heart of Iron Ring. We're standing right above the blasted remains of this incredible rapid. They're leading the guys down here, and we're going to do a little zesty. What are we going to do here, Susan?
We're going to get ducked up in the flume.
Okay, the mother ducker gonna duck it up in the flume. You guys ready to duck it up? Woo! These people right here are gonna jump into this tiny flume. Here's one of our guides coming down. Yeah, Daniel is running a nice smooth line there. I am standing right here. I'm standing high on top of Woodstock. As you can see, there's a striking resemblance here to, yeah, I would say, yeah. Quality. All right, Susan here is going to show us how to do it. You just jump right into the crevice, and they're going to swim over to their duckies and get ready to resume ducking it up.
You take a good, you take a bad, you take them all, from there you have the facts of life, the facts of life. There's a time you gotta go and show you're growing, now you know about the facts of life. The facts of life, when the world never sees you believe in
people jump off into the big flume of doom right here. Yeah. Well, me, Woodstock, and the rest of my pals, we're gonna head on down to Sweets Falls. It's a big one. It's huge. It's awesome. Well, hello there. Seamus McDucky here, wishing you the best of luck in this next rabbit. We're here deep in the heart of the Box Canyon. Yes, look at this craziness.
Your trunk falling off, your trunk falling off, your trunk falling off. The bartender's got you drunk falling off. You drunk falling off. You drunk falling off. The smoke machine has got you crunk falling off. You crunk falling off. You crunk falling off. The booty band has got your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. There they go again, it's that booty band clan. Having fun with music, that's the only master plan. The power of love, the power of truth, the power of youth under one roof. And here's the proof. At the booty band show, we get wild and crazy, making memories that are somewhat hazy. It's a riot, actual throwing love Molotov. We the booty band, we got your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. The bartender's got you drunk falling off. You drunk falling off. You drunk falling off. This one machine has got you crunk falling off. You crunk falling off. You crunk falling off. The booty band has got your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Damn, will your mama spit that booty band, putting glitches in the plan to bore you with the ordinary. Forget the story, this a real life situation. Sending your mind on vacation, taking control of your hips and your feet with new funk beats straight from the Asheville streets. So we're gonna give it to you till you just about had enough. Say what? Say what? The booty band has got your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. The bartender's got your trunk falling off. You drunk falling off. You drunk falling off. Say what? The smoke machine has got you crunk falling off. You crunk falling off. You crunk falling off. The booty band has got your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. When it starts to smell like onions, you know the beat's coming, cause all the hands are up in the air. You best start running, you might miss something, and all you sucker posers beware. Your mama said she's hungry, fed her beef stroganoff. Told her stay away, but I could not get her off. Take her down to my barn, feed her out of my trough, and even though she busted, got that trunk falling off.
Oh, you at the booty band show, go on and do what you gonna do.
Falling off.
You got your trunk falling off and you're feeling the funk. Come on, let me see you move.
Falling off.
Oh, you at the booty band show, go on and do what you gonna do.
Falling off.
You got your trunk falling off and you're feeling the funk. Come on, let me see you move.
The booty band has got your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. The bartender's got your trunk falling off. You drunk falling off. You drunk falling off. The smoke machine has got you crunk falling off. You crunk falling off. You crunk falling off. The booty band has got your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off. Your trunk falling off.
Oh, you at the booty band show, go on and do what you gonna do.
Trunk falling off.
You got your trunk falling off and you're feeling the funk. Come on, let me see you move.
Trunk falling off.
Oh, you at the booty band show, go on and do what you gonna do.
Trunk falling off.
You got your trunk falling off and you're feeling the funk. Come on, let me see you move.
That's right, y'all. Yes, yes, your mama's big fat booty band. You up there, that 828? That's right, you be messing around with those real mountain gangsters. That's where we be hanging out at. Up there in the mountains, son. Sky country, sky high, sky high. That's right.
Let me see you move.
Ah, yes, people! Oh my goodness! What an incredible day! I was touched by the performances. I laughed, I cried. It was the feel-good hit of the season. You people are special. This is your sport. You better come back. Well, this is John Cornwell, your friendly neighborhood video kayaker, signing off. Reminding you that if you had fun out there, maybe it was because those funny-looking guys in the red boats yelling at you all day. Let's hear it for your guides. Yeah! Woo! Go guides! Go guides! Go guides! Yeah! Hey, you down in the front, you're not cheering loud enough. Yeah! Go guides! Go guides! Yeah! All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for my little video. It's been an incredible season. You guys are great. Bye-bye. Bye.